The EY4640 14.4 volt lithium-ion cordless grinder uses a 3 amp-hour cobalt lithium-ion battery pack, which has high output and low heat generation to deliver twice the life of a conventional battery pack. This indicator lamp flashes when guard-ion senses it's time to change the battery pack. These lamps also flash to alert you when guard-ion is preventing potential over-discharging or overheating of the battery pack. Guard-ion continuously monitors battery performance, providing exceptional battery pack life. The EY4640 uses a slim grip and universal side handle that delivers comfortable metal cutting or grinding with less fatigue. The tool has a speed of 9,500 RPM and uses a 4.5-inch wheel size. It also features a lock-on for the on switch when performing time-consuming tasks. The spindle lock button makes it easy to change wheels. There's an easy access port to change motor brushes. The on-lock start prevention lamp will flash, and the grinder will not start if the switch is in the on position when a battery is inserted. The battery pack fully charges in only 50 minutes. This grinder is compact and weighs only 4.8 pounds. The EY4640 14.4 volt lithium-ion cordless grinder. Ask your dealer to show you the entire line of digital cordless tools from Panasonic.